大家好 ，It's Ms Kaka， 我是佳佳老师。形容词 adjectives are what we are exploring in more depth today to better understand how to use them. We all know that adjectives are used to describe and modify nouns, just like in English. They are placed before nouns, but there are certain rules to follow. First, if the adjectives are monosyllabic, which means they consist of a single character, they can directly modify nouns regardless of whether the noun is monosyllabic or disyllabic, as the examples show. While particle the can be used between the adjective and the noun to stress the modification. Second, if the adjectives are disyllabic, which means they consist of two characters, and the nouns are monosyllabic, it is mandatory to use the between the adjective and the noun. However, when the nouns are disyllabic, using the particle the between the adjective and the noun is optional. That's all for this episode. Please stay tuned for upcoming episodes where we will further explore the use of adjectives.